Hello and welcome back to my Carolina homestead. My name is Michelle and today we are making homemade, all-natural, all-purpose Thieves cleaner. So as I said, today we're going to be making the very popular all-natural, all-purpose Thieves cleaner. And this particular recipe that I've come up with is going to be safe for granite countertops. I will give you some substitutions if you have other countertops, but for granite countertops, stone, marble, things like that, you can't use anything acidic because it will etch the stone and eventually take off the sealant that's on there, which is what produces the shine. So, sorry I've been away for a while. Took a little break. It's a very busy season for us right now. The weather's been beautiful here in the Carolinas, so we've been spending a lot of time outside, doing lots of gardening, getting the garden started, lots of seeding, weeding, all of the things. If you garden, you know what I'm talking about. But we have reached a time where things have settled down a little bit, so I thought I'd come back and do a video for you guys. I'm doing this because I don't know if you've had the opportunity to look online. Thieves is a really popular cleaner and it's very expensive. It's made in a concentrate formula and you can buy it on Amazon and other places, but a very popular brand that's selling for a little over 14 ounces is selling for a little under $40. So today I'm going to show you how to make this recipe for literally pennies, and it's just as effective in cleaning your surfaces, disinfecting, and it's also all natural, so it's good for you and your family members. It's also safe for your pets. Thieves Cleaner is a popular natural cleaning product that's inspired by the historical use of a specific blend of essential oils. Generally you're going to use clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. The reason it's called Thieves is because it was believed to have been used by thieves during the 15th century to protect themselves from the plague while they were robbing the dead people and the dying. So that's how it gets its name. But this one is antimicrobial and it is absolutely aromatic. So it has a lot of good benefits and uses, and I'll talk to you about those along the way. So as I said, this is going to be safe for granite countertops. So by using this, I'm going to start off with vodka. Now this particular recipe is going to make 2 tablespoons of concentrate. And with that, you can mix that with 2 cups of water. Tablespoons of concentrate that we're going to make today is going to make a 16-ounce spray bottle. You can double this and you can triple this, and just save your concentrate to use in your spray container. And for each cup of water, you're going to use 1 tablespoon of your concentrate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make this recipe for 2 cups, and I will have my bottle filled and ready to go. So I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon of vodka. Now if you don't have granite or stone or marble and you don't have vodka, you can use hydrogen peroxide, you can use vinegar, you can use lemon juice, and that will be your 1 tablespoon. Next, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of castile soap, and I'm just going to mix all this into my spray bottle as I go. Now I'm going to use 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, and tea tree is antimicrobial. It is effective against bacteria, viruses, and of course funguses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's also deodorizing and it's cleansing, so it will help remove dirt and grime. Next, I'm going to use lemon essential oil. And lemon essential oil is safe for granite, stone, and marble because it is not acidic, This is not the same as using straight lemon juice. So with this, we're going to do 10 drops. 10. And lemon is antibacterial and antiseptic. It is going to help disinfect your surfaces. It's also great at breaking down grease and grime, and it has a really nice uplifting scent. Next, I'm going to use clove essential oil, and I'm going to use 5 drops of clove. Clove is antimicrobial and antifungal, so this is going to help kill bacteria. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's also an antioxidant and adds an extra layer of protection. Next, I'm going to use eucalyptus oil, and I'm going to have 5 drops of that. Eucalyptus is also antimicrobial, but it's also antiviral. It's also a decongestant, and it has a really fresh scent. Next, I'm going to use rosemary essential oil, and I'm going to use 5 drops of that. Rosemary is also antibacterial and antifungal, and it also adds an herbal aroma to your mixture. So once you have your vodka or whatever your liquid is, whether it's white distilled vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, or lemon juice, and then you've added your castile soap and your essential oils, give it a nice stir inside the bottle. And then we're going to add 2 cups of water. Now, if you don't use all-purpose cleaner that often and you want to keep this from getting cloudy or growing any bacteria in it, you can use distilled water, but I'm just going to use my regular well water for this because I'm going to use this multiple times a day, so it's going to go fast. And I'm just going to get my funnel back out and pour this water into my mixture. So remember, 2 cups of water to 2 tablespoons of your concentrate. And there we have our Thieves all-purpose, all-natural cleanser. This is a natural and non-toxic alternative to all-purpose cleaners that you can buy in the store. We know what's in those cleaners. We know that they're toxic to us, they're toxic to our pets, and so they're just really not ideal for everyday use. This is an effective cleaner. It combines the antimicrobial properties of essential oils with the cleaning power of the castile soap. And again, it doesn't take much of your concentrate to stretch your dollar. It has a wonderful aroma. It's versatile. You can use this on just about any surface that you have in your home. It's also incredibly cost effective. And this 16-ounce container cost me probably under 50 cents to make. So you can do the math on that. And so I hope that you give this recipe a try. And if you do, please let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Thank you so much for stopping by my Carolina homestead and spending some time with me today. I hope to see you guys soon in the next uploads. See you next time. Take care.